what is awareness? Okay, so like this. What you know as a human being is not true. You are not the body, you are not the thought, you are not the mind. What is left is just a projection. Can you imagine that? That you are just a projection. This avatar, this body is just a projection. And you would ask, why is it a projection? You're solid. That's a thing. That's that's how the perception of the awareness is. That you are just alone. That what you see as a body, all of it are just in the mind, your mind. So like this avatar is just over there inside, okay? But change this body into awareness like nothing, because awareness is just consciousness, right? Consciousness is no form, formless. So think about it, it's formless, there's no body, but you just know, you conscious that there's something, right? And you're seeing it as the first person, where you can just see you can just see a vision. You are not the body, you have no form. That's awareness. What you see out there, none of it is true. It's just blank space, nothing, empty. And what you see, like the people, everything, is not separated from you, because everything that is playing that you see are just all here, not in this body, okay? Just the awareness in the mind of the awareness. Not in the mind, there's no mind, right? It's just in that you're conscious that it's it's part of you, of the awareness. You know, there's no body in it. No, it's not separated from you. It's like you are everything. This is how awareness is. It's a practice, yes, because there will be a day when things could you know, uh not not the best day for you. Because this is the limitation of this dream. This dream of 3D is with limitation, so you're going to fall back to like forgetting it. That's why it's better to really to practice it daily. If you have the time, make sure you have the time to really sit around with yourself. Be quiet, just listen to your heartbeat, and then just stay, just be still, and don't do anything, because after all, you are not doing anything. You are just looking and observing. That's awareness.